Assalamualaikum, good afternoon, sir. In this video, we are from Group 1. We'll carry out a debate on the topic of the importance of English in the era of globalization. On this occasion, we will listen to the arguments of the two teams, namely the pro team and the contra team. Where the team members are, I'm Nadata as the pro team.
I'm Agis as the pro team.
I'm Mila as the pro team.
Then me, Arija, from the contra team.
Me is para contra team.
Well, thank you. Either directly I'm the pro team will convey my arguments about these motions. So, globalization is a condition where there is no distance between one country and another. In this era of globalization, English is very important as a communication tool. We know that communication with other countries is very important. We are part of the world and cannot live alone without needing help from other people.
To communicate with countries around us, we need a tool, and that tool is language. Aristotle said that the world needs an international language, and that is English. By speaking English, we can communicate with foreigners in the same language, making it easier to understand each other. English has become an international language due to its story of spread, the influence of the United States technological development, and its use in international business and education. By communicating in English, we can improve our communication skill, open up job opportunities, and enhance cross-cultural understanding. That's all from me.
If we can speak English well, then we will easily research. In this era of globalization, development countries like the United States use English as international language. So we as citizens of the world shall be able to master English.
We think from the contra team, I strongly disagree with the opinion that English is an important language in Indonesia. Even though developed countries use English, it doesn't mean we have to follow it. We should pay attention to technology. Countries like Japan and South Korea are strong in technology, but they still are their own language. So if we want to success in the era of globalization, we must enrich our knowledge in technology. If we have different countries will come to study in Indonesia and they will learn Indonesian, not English.
Thank you. Besides, English is not the only international language. There are many other languages that are also spoken internationally, such as Mandarin, Japan, and Arabic. So we don't have to focus only on English.
Okay, I wanted to ask you from Team Contra, why do the pros think English is important in era globalization? Thank you.
As we have said, English is important as an international communication tool. By mastering English, we can easily communicate with people from different countries, thus facilitating communication and information exchange. Then, how does the contact teams respond to the argument?
Okay, thank you. I'll talk. English is considered important as an international language. It does not mean that we should neglect Indonesian and other language. We should still mention and strengthen Indonesian as the national language, as well as develop other foreign language skills as needed. Focus only on English is not enough to face the challenge of globalization.
Okay, well, thank you to the cons, but we as the pros still think that English is very important in this era of globalization. By mastering English, we can communicate with foreigners, get better opportunities, and be part of the globalized world. Thank you.
Okay, Team Contra, I'll talk English is important. We should not forget Indonesian and other language. We should mention and develop our language skill as needed, not just focus on English.
Well, thank you to all the participants for their participation in this debate. Hopefully, our discussion today can provide useful insights. That's all, and thank you. Bye, guys.